Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Galaxy A03s Charger is probably one of the most important accessories you'll ever buy for your phone, and choosing the right one can be tricky with so many options available on the market. This video will help you navigate through the choices and find the perfect charger that meets your needs, whether you're looking for a fast charger to top up your battery quickly or a reliable charger for everyday use. Number 5. 20W USB-C Fast Charger. This charger is compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices, including Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel phones. It's the perfect solution for fast and efficient charging. It provides high-speed charging, getting your phone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's up to 75% faster than standard chargers. This charger includes multiple safety features, such as protection against short circuits, overheating, and overcharging. Your device is always safe. It comes with a convenient 6 feet USB-C to USB-C cable, allowing for fast charging and data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. The package includes a 20W USB-C wall adapter and a 6 feet USB-C to USB-C cable. We also offer reliable customer service, available to help within 24 hours. What we like. It boasts a 20W fast charge, ensuring your phone powers up quickly. Safety features protect against overcharging and short circuits. The included 6-foot cable provides extra reach, making it perfect if you charge your phone while using it in bed or on the couch. What people say. Charges fast, pretty durable and very easy to use. Fast charging, cord length is suitable, doesn't get hot when plugged in. The connections are tight to both wall adapter and phone. I am able to freely use my phone and tug a little without pulling the wire loose, which I like. The cord itself is pretty stiff and sturdy, wrapped in thread for added protection. Number 4. Samsung Fast Charger Type-C. This charger supports multiple fast charging protocols, ensuring optimal charging speed for your device. It's designed for a wide range of Samsung Galaxy and other USB-C devices. Charge your phone from 5% to 50% in just 20 minutes. It's up to 4 times faster than a standard 5W charger, getting you back to full power quickly. It's compatible with a wide variety of devices, including Samsung Galaxy S and S series phones, Google Pixel phones, and select iPads. It's the perfect all-around fast charger. This charger has a built-in smart IC chip that protects your device from overcharging, short circuits, and excessive current. It's also made with fire-resistant materials for added safety. The included 6-foot cable provides ample length for comfortable charging, whether you're in bed or on the couch. It's also durable and tangle-free. You get one USB-C charger and one 6 feet USB-C to USB-C cable. It also comes with an 18-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This charger offers super fast charging, getting your phone to 50% in just 20 minutes. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, so it's a great option if you have multiple USB-C devices. The durable cable is built to last, so you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. What people say. Color, works well and fast charging. It charges my Samsung A13 5G phone quickly and stops charging automatically when it reaches 100%. Nice long cord. This charger has truly impressed me how quickly it charges my phone, so I purchased 2 of them. Number 3. Super Fast Charger Type-C Block. This charger supports multiple fast charging protocols, so it's compatible with a wide range of devices. It's designed to charge your phone quickly and safely. Charge your Samsung Galaxy S24 from 5% to 65% in just 30 minutes. That's up to 4 times faster than a standard 5W charger. It works with a huge variety of devices, including Samsung Galaxy, iPhone, Google Pixel, and more. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for your charging needs. The built-in smart IC chip protects your devices from overcharging, short circuits, and excessive current. Charge with confidence. Its small size makes it perfect for travel. It's also made from durable, fire-resistant materials. You get one USB-C charging block and an 18-month warranty. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. With a maximum power output of 38 W, it's one of the fastest chargers available. It's compatible with a huge range of devices, from Samsung phones to iPhones and more. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel, fitting easily into your bag or pocket. What people say. Works good and fast, charges my Samsung. This charger lives up to its name. It's just fast. Cell phone from 30% to 100% in less than an hour. My phone didn't come with a charging block, so I purchased this one. It works just great. Number 2. 20W USB-C Fast Charger. This charger is equipped with a USB-C PD 3.0 port for safe and rapid charging. It delivers 20 W of power, charging your devices up to 60% in just 30 minutes. It's certified with FCC and features multiple safety protections, including overheat, overcurrent, and overcharge protection. It ensures stable voltage output and stops charging automatically when the battery is full. This charger works with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, Google Pixels, and more. It's the perfect solution for all your charging needs. Its mini size and lightweight design make it perfect for travel. It's also globally compatible with 100-240V voltage, making it ideal for international use. You get one 20W USB-C power adapter, backed by a 12-month warranty and friendly customer service. A cable is not included. What we like. It offers a fast charge, getting you back to full power in a flash. Multiple safety features protect your devices from damage. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal if you're always on the go. What people say. It works perfectly. My phone charges at high speed. Great adapter for charging my consumer cellular phone. It works with my cell phone. The speed is good. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Fast Charge Kit. This kit includes everything you need to quickly charge your Samsung Galaxy device. It's designed for ultimate convenience and speed. The included wall charger provides a powerful 20 W output. It charges your phone significantly faster than standard chargers. This car charger boasts 2 ports, each capable of fast charging. Charge 2 devices simultaneously without compromising speed. These durable cables offer fast charging and data transfer speeds. Their sturdy design ensures long-lasting performance. This kit offers a complete solution for all your charging needs, whether you're at home or on the go. Enjoy the convenience and speed. Get fast, reliable charging with this comprehensive kit. It's a great value and comes with excellent customer support. What we like. This charger provides a fast charge for your phone. It comes with a car charger, so you can charge on the go. The 2 included USB-C cables give you extra convenience. What people say. Works great with my Motorola Razr 2024, charges up pretty fast and connects to the phone even with my case. Cord is very durable and works great. Verdaderamente buenísima calidad y funcionamiento efectivo, porque permite cargas rápidas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.